Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. So today's lecture is going to be very interesting for those who are going to appear or going to write a competitive exams. So these are some of the examples I have taken from the competitive exams. So without these problems, a competitive exam is incomplete. So I hope those who are going for writing the competitive exam, for them this lecture is going to be very helpful. Now see how we'll solve this by a trick. So here 12, see the pattern is similar pattern. These are four different patterns, 1 2 3 4, all are different patterns. See here under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12, it is up to infinity. And here it is in the case of plus, and this is similar, it is in the case of minus. But here in the case of into, this is also into, but this is up to infinity, but there is no infinity. So in all the cases the rules are different. So here, you have to take a factor of 12 in such a way that their difference should be 1. So factor of 12, we can write 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are the factor of 12. So these are the two factors of 12. So when you see there is a plus, the pattern is this way up to infinity. If it is a plus, then take the bigger number. So bigger number for plus. So the answer will be 4. Directly the answer will be 4. Now in case of, these are similar problems, only the difference is here plus, here is minus. So in case of minus, take the smaller number. So for minus, you have to take 3. So this is the answer. Now check, this is the third case, is the product. Similar numbers, square root of 12 into square root of 12 into square root of 12, but up to infinity. If it is up to infinity, then no need to do anything. What is there inside the square root, right? Exactly, inside the square root there is 12, so 12 is answer. But in that case it is similar, but there is no infinity. This is up to infinity. When there is no infinity, then what you have to do, you have what is there inside the square root, that is 12, right? 12, then it should be in the mixed form. Then what you need to do, then this square root means there is 2 is there, so 2 is there. If we multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You write 8 and subtract 1 from 8. So 8 minus 1, that will give you 7. The answer is 11 is to 7 by 8 in the form of mixed fraction. So I hope this technique is going to be very helpful those who are going to write the competitive exams. So thank you for watching.